claims that he does your lessons. Starring his students, who may or may not be watching these videos in their pajamas. And our returning champion, Kaya, a well-known mathematician in the cat community.
Help out. There we go. Let's get the pencil.
Get working, Lydia.
Okay, keep working, Kaya. Should we multiply by x plus 3? Yes, we should. Everyone loves math. It is wonderful, isn't it? Oh, yes, it is, it is, it is. It's very good. Very good. Math makes us smarter. Okay. X minus 4. Hey, helping out. Good job. Plus 5x plus 15. Over 2 times x minus 3.
And welcome back to another week of e-learning. And I even broke a tie out for today. And so it's been a long time since I've had a tie on. And so, you know, 2 silkworms got in a fight. You know what happened? They ended in a tie. And so think about that one for a little bit. And so first thing you want to do is make sure you take attendance. The attendance form now has the dates for this week. You can't be going and saying you were at school last week when it's this week. And so you need to fill in the attendance form right away and not be waiting around. You can't go to school next Monday today. You can't go to school next Wednesday and say you were here today. And so fill this thing in and get this done. And so we're going to continue on hitting just some of the highlights of math and making sure all of you are really good at them so you'll be able to start next year with a great start. And so if you just come down to Merge, you can find either whether you're in 7th grade, the video for the lesson is going to be posted here, or if you're in 6th grade, or if you're in 8th grade. And so make sure you click on that. And so the video for the lesson. And so today we're going to talk about evaluating expressions. And so I just gave you one, and it's only 4 questions. I said, well, sometimes they have 7 questions, sometimes they have 4, but we're just going to do one. And so we're going to plug in numbers, and we're going to evaluate. And so this problem right here, it says 10m plus n squared over 4 when m is 5 and n is 4. And you just take, if m is 5, you're just going to take that 5 and plug it in, plug it in. And then you're going to take that n is 4, and you're just going to plug that in right here. And so if we rewrite this, this would be 10. If m is 5, that doesn't make 105. It makes 10 times 5 plus, and then we plug a 4 in, and so it's 4 to the 2nd power, or 4 squared, and 4 squared over 4. And so then you follow what we worked on last Friday. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We're going to multiply first. That makes a 50. And then here, 4 squared is not 8. It is 16. And then 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then we'll have 4 plus 50 right there. Somebody's emailing me. Sorry, I can't answer it right now. But we're getting this videotaped, and then we'll be right with you. And so that would be 54. And so you type it in. Again, you can't just click on the hint. You won't get any credit for it. And so you type it in, and way to go. Woohoo! And we have another one. You just got to do 4 of them. And if you just do these as we assign them, you can always go back and do the old ones and redo them for better grades if your grades aren't very good. But we want to make sure you get that. If R is 3, you just plug a 3 in here. If S is 5, plug it in, plug it in. Somebody else is emailing me. And so S is 5 goes right here. And so we're going to have 7 times 3 minus 15 over 5. And so 7 times 3 is going to be 21. 15 over 5 is 3. And then 21 minus 3 is 18. And so that makes an 18. And let's see if we get this. And see if we got it right. 18. Woohoo! 2 for 2! And then we're going to do another one. And we're going to plug this in. Oh, here we got 3 letters to plug in. And so here we have M is 8. And so we're going to plug that 8 right there. Then we have N is 2. Plug it in, plug it in. And then we got P is 7. And so we're going to plug that in. And so we can rewrite it. We have 8 minus, and then it was m over n, but now it's 8 over 2 plus 7 squared. And so please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, even if you don't have an Aunt Sally. 7 squared we're going to do first, then we're going to divide, and then we're going to add and subtract. And so 7 squared, is that 14 or is it 49? 49, great job. 7 times 7 is 49. And then 8 over 2 is 4. And we got 8 minus 4 plus 49. So that's 4 plus 49, which then makes 53. And so 53. 3 for 3. And then we got one more. And that's it. And then you're done for merge today. And so, because you already have your other math class, you got to work on that. And so A is 4, and then B is 3. And so we're just going to plug a 3 in there. And so we got 6 plus 4 over 4 plus 3 over 3. And that gives you 1, 1, and 6. And then we're going to add those up. 6 plus 1 is 8. You're going to get 4 questions. You might even get some of the exact same ones. If you don't get 4 for 4 and the confetti going all over the place, try them again. We need to get good grades. You want to do your best, okay? We have confidence in you, and we're sorry we can't be with you, but watch the videos. I think some of you are just trying these and you're not watching the videos. How could you miss any of them once you watch this video? You might even get these exact same questions. So just rewind the video and you'll know what the answer is. Okay? So I hope everybody has a great day. Email me. Let me know how you're doing. Okay? Thanks. Hey, we'll see you guys later.